So please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Professor in Suits. We'll be continuing the part 3 into part 4 now here. Okay, same kind of questions we will do, and we'll extend the remain and do the remaining parts of the EOT. So be with me. Let's dive straight into it. I hope you liked all the remaining, all the previous parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. This is part 4. Let's go. Use elimination to solve each system of equations. Now here, to solve this kind of questions, what I'll suggest is there are two ways to do it. One by using calculator and one by using the steps. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll do step first and then I'll do the calculator so that you have both in your mind. Okay, it's up to you, then you can choose what you want. Okay, so before doing this kind of question like use elimination, what I'll suggest is first step you need to remember is first step you need to remember is this. You need to check out of these two equations which equation has the same number. Okay, so first you need to check which one has the same number. Okay, second step, after you find the same number, you need to check the sign. Check the sign of the same number. If it's same sign, then we will do minus. But if there is an opposite sign, then we'll do plus. Okay, that's it. So we'll do here, let's do the question number. Let's do question number 1. Okay, so in the question number 1, let's check the same number. Now you see V also has the same number and W also has the same number, like the coefficients, like 1 1, and here also it's 1 1. Okay, so let's talk about V. V has the same number, 1 1 coefficient. After you check the same number, what's the step 2? Check the sign. But here the sign is minus and plus, so they are opposite. So if they are opposite, what do? We do plus. So let's do plus. So when you do plus, what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. W plus W will become 2W, and 7 plus 1 will become 8. Then you divide by 2, divide by 2, you cancel. What you get, W is what? 8 over 2, that's 4. Once you get W, what's the next step? We need to find the other variable. What's the other variable apart from W? It's V. So we put this 4 in the first W. So what you get, minus V plus 4 equals 7. Okay. Then you solve this, bring the plus 4 here. It will become minus. So you have 7 minus 4, that's 3, and minus V. So take the minus on that side. So you'll get V is what? Minus 3. So what's the solution? So your solution is, let me write down over here. So your solution is, first is V. So that number will come, that's minus 3. And then W. What's the number? 4. So that's your solution. Understood? Easy. Let's do another question. Question number 2 is same as it is. Question number 3 also the same. You see, what do we do? First we check the same number, which is the same number 4 and 4. You see, so same number as the variable. So 4 and 4 has the same number. Then we check the sign. Check the sign of this two 4. One is minus 4, one is plus 4. So that's opposite. It's opposite. Again, what we'll do? Plus. Okay, so we'll do plus again here. So we'll do plus. So when you do plus, what will happen? This and this will get cancelled. Minus 4 plus 4. Why cancel? Because minus 4 and plus 4 will become 0. So straight away cancel. Plus 5 plus 6, it will become 11y. And 17 plus minus 6, it will become 11. Then you divide by 11, divide by 11, cancel, cancel. What you get? Y. 11 over 11, that's 1. Once you get y1, put this y. You can put in any of this equation. You can put in 5y or you can put in 6y. Up to you. I put it in the first one. So let's put it here. So what do you get? You get minus 4x plus 5 times 1 equals 17. Then you open the brackets, minus 4x plus 5 equals 17. Bring this plus 5 here. It will become minus 5. So minus 4x, 17 minus 5, that's 12. So minus 4x equal, we'll do it on this side, minus 4x equal 12. So divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4. So what do you get? X is what? Minus 3. Okay. So that's your solution. So what's your solution? So let me write the solution here. So what will be your solution? First is x, then is y, that's minus 3, and then 1. Okay. So that's your answer. Understood? Now, enough of the opposite sign. Let's do something of the same sign. Okay. Like, let's take question number 6. You see, for question number 6, if you take it, you see same number. You see 60, 60, same number. But check at the sign. They have same sign, minus, minus. So what we'll do whenever you have same sign, what we do? Minus. What we'll do? Minus. So we'll do it minus. Let's take another color so it doesn't mix this up. So we'll do minus. So when we do minus, what will happen? 6 minus 3, it will become 3r. And minus 6 plus 6, minus 6 minus minus 6. So that will become plus 6. It will get 0, so we cancel out. And 6 minus 15, it will become minus 9. Then we divide by 3, divide by 3. What do you get? R is what? Minus 3. Once you get R, put it back in any of the equation. Put it in the first one. Let's with 6. So what do you get? You'll get 6 times minus 3 minus 60 equals 6. That's minus 18 minus 60 equals 6. Now bring letter with letter and number with number. So bring this minus 18t this side, so it will become plus. So what will have? Minus 60. 6 plus 18, that's minus 60 equal 24. Divide by minus 6, divide by minus 6. Cancel, cancel. What you get? T is what? Minus 4. Okay. So what's the solution? Which letter is first? First is R, then it's T. So minus 3 first, then minus 4. Okay. So this is the one way to do it. And the second way, which is like many of the kids will love it, that's called calculator. Okay. So but that method we'll only use when we don't want to show the steps. Okay, where they want only multiple choice. Okay. Are you ready? I know you guys love this calculator technique. And I also want you to remember this because this is like a modernized way. When some questions which they don't want you to show the steps, then why do we do such a hard work? Be smart, do calculator, because that's allowed. Okay, so how do you do it? We did it before also in the substitution case. Same tarika. We click mod, we click phi, and we click 1. Okay, we click mod, we click phi, we click 1. Okay, you'll get ABC. Now let's go with the first question. Now with A is the first variable's number. What is the number? There is no number means 1, but there is a minus. So what we put? Minus 1. Then the second one with W, there is no number means 1. And then the last number is 7. We put 7. Again, here with V there is no number, means 1, and with W there is 1, and then there is again 1. So what's the answer? Minus 3. You see, minus 3, and then there is 4. You see, voila, magic. You see, so when Akshay is here, you don't have to have any fear. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Let's do one more question with the same thing. Let's do question number 6 with this one just to verify it. Again, what do we do? Click mod, click phi, click 1, write the number 6. Then what's the next variable? Minus 6. What's the next variable? 6. Then again 3 minus 6, and then 15. Okay. Click equal, you get the answer. What's the answer? Minus 3 and then minus 4. You see, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay. How did I didn't write? So answer is what? Minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, so that's the answer. You see? So if they don't want steps, straight away do with calculator. Okay, let's go to the next one. What do we do in the next one? Here we have to change from English to the equation and then solve it. Now before solving this, I want you to remember a trick. How to write equation. Whenever they say a number means it's x. What is it? X. Oh, let's remember. Another number means what? Y. One is x, one will be y. So there will be two numbers, x and y. Is means what? Equal. Is means what? Equal. That's it. Now write the equation. So you have 7 times a number means 7x minus 4 times another number, that's 4y, is means equal 30. Negative 7, another equation, negative 7 times a number, again that's an x, plus 7 times another number means y. Is means what? Equal 14. That's it. You have two equations. Solve it. I'll use the calculator. But stepwise, you know how to do it. What do we do? Click mod, click phi, click 1, write the number. What's the first number? 7 equal minus 4 equal 13 equal minus 7 equal 7 equal 14. Equal. All the numbers are stored. Click equal. What's the answer? 7. And what's the other number? 9. So you get 7 and 9. So what's the solution? 7 and 9. So first number is 7 and the second number is 9. Okay. Same way, let me write the equation for other one. Twice a number. Again, a number means what? X. Another number means what? Y. Is means equal. Okay, if you remember this three technique, easy. Everything will become easy peasy. Okay. So we 2 times twice. Twice means 2x. Added means plus. Another number means y. Is means 15. Equal 15. Sum of two numbers. What do you mean by sum of? Means plus. Two numbers with x and y. Is 11. Okay. Again, you can solve this by calculator. Okay. I'll do it for you guys. Mod phi 1. What do we put? 2. With y, there is no number, means we put 1. Then you have 15. Then you have x, no number, means 1. Again with y, no number, means 1. And then 11. So what's the answer you get? 4 and 7. So what's the answer? 4 and 7. So first number is 4 and second number is 7. Okay, easy. I didn't do the step because I know you guys can do it because we did it up how to do it. Okay, and in your exam, like the question is to be multiple choice. I think there's no paper solving, so use calculator. That's much more better. Now, out of these two questions, I'll do one question. I'll do both the equation. Okay, it's the easy one. Twice a number. So 2 times a number added to another number. That's a y. Everybody know a number x, another number means y. Is means equal minus it. Difference of minus of two numbers x and y is 2. That's it. Put in the calculator. What do you do? Mod phi 1 was the first number 2. Enter. Second number 1. Enter. Minus 8. Enter means what? Equal. X1. Then what's the next number? Minus y. Means minus 1. No number means 1. And then 2. So what answer you get? Minus 2 and minus 4. So what are the two numbers? Minus 2 and minus 4. So that's the solution. Okay. Next question I want you guys to do it by yourself. No need to do. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Use elimination to solve the system of equation. Again, this you can use straight away calculator. I prefer used calculator. Okay. How will you solve it with calculator? Okay, let's do this question as well. Question number 30. Let's do question number 30. Difference of two. What do you mean by difference of minus? Of two numbers means x and y is equal to sum of means what? Plus of two numbers, same two numbers, x and y is how much? 6. Put in the calculator. What you will do? Mod phi 1. What's the number 1? Next is minus 1. You see, what's the first number for x? 1. Then you have minus 1. Then you have 2. Then you have 1. Then you have 1. And then you have 6. You have to be fast in this now. 4 and 2. So what are the two numbers you get? 4 and 2. So solution you get 4 and 2. Okay, that's why. What about the next one? Again, the same way, use elimination. You can do it in this way. Mod phi 1. That's 10. That's 5. That's 30. You see? So what did I put? I put first 10, then I put 5, then I put 30. Then what's the next number? I should put 5, then minus 3, and then minus 7. Okay? So that's how you do it. But if you don't have calculator, some of the kids they don't have calculator. Then what do you do in this case? Okay, let's do without calculator for this question. And then we can go ahead with the solving with calculator. Okay, let's go ahead with the step for this question. Okay, so use elimination to solve the system of equation. Now here, you see what we do, we check for same number, right? But here, do you have any same number? No, you don't have any same number. So you straight away can't do plus or minus. So what to do in that case? Can we make it same? Yes, let's take a variable. Let's take x. Okay, you have 10, you have 5. Okay, now I need to have a same number. So one is 10, one is 5. Can I make them same? How can I make them same? By times. By times. So 5 and 10, there are two numbers. What can I do times? Can I do this 5 times? What number should I do times so that it becomes same like 10? What should I do? What should I do? 2. So I'll multiply by 2. So, but when I multiply with everyone. With this and with this. All the three terms on this equation. So what do you have? You have 10x plus 5y equal 30, and 2 times 5 again, that is 10x. 2 times minus 3, that is minus 6y, equals 2 times minus 7, that's minus 14. Okay, then you have same 10x 10x, same sign. What I'll do minus. So when I do minus, this and this gets cancelled. 5 minus minus 6, that is plus. So 5 plus 6, 11. 30 minus minus 14, that is plus 14, that is 44. Okay, then what we do, we divide by 11, divide by 11. So we cancel. What do we get? Y is what? 44 divide 11, that's 4. Once you get y, what's the next step? You need to find x. Put it in any equation. Let's put this y with this 5. So when you put it, what do you get? 10x plus 5 times 4 equal 30. So what you have? 10x, 5 times 4 is 20, equal 30. Bring this plus 20 on this side, it will become minus. So 10x equal 30 minus 20. That's 10. That's 10x. So divide 10, divide 10. So what you get? X is what? 10 over 10, that's 1. So what's the solution? The solution is, first is x, that's 1, and then y, that's 4. Understood? Easy peasy. Okay, same thing I can do with calculator as well. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's do with the calculator as well. Same thing, I put all the numbers here. So 10, 5, 30, 5 minus 3, 7. Minus 7. I don't have to multiply this 2. Only for solving. Click equal. What's the answer you get? You see 1 and then 4. You see? That's how you do it. Okay. So the rest of the questions, I think the next also elimination, you can do it in the same way. You can use calculator or you can solve it by using this. I hope you loved this lecture about elimination. Thank you for attending my class. Thank you. Bye bye. Ma salama.